Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Those of you who've been here for a while or following me for a while know that I set this up when I was card making mostly, just to share techniques, and you can have a look at my back catalogue. Since it's here, I thought it would be a really good idea to use it for my business, my Etsy shop. It's currently called Bagageddon, and I'm moving over to Ruth's Reusables. So that's why I thought this YouTube channel would be helpful, so I can share the products with you, show them a bit more in almost real time, so you'll get to see them in a bit more detail and what's in them and how you use them, and how, most importantly, you wash them and reuse them, because that's what it's all about, reusing. So I hope you'll join me now and again when I have a video to share. I'll advertise on Instagram and Facebook, my usual places, and more details will be down in the description. So I hope you'll continue to join me on my journey sharing my reusable products, and I wish you all a very good day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.